Okay, so you just got your first paycheck. Maybe it's from a part-time job, maybe it's from a summer gig, doesn't matter. The point is, money just hit your account for the first time ever. And I'm guessing you have no idea what to do with it. Don't worry. Nobody taught us this stuff. Not in school, not really at home either. So today I'm going to break it down super simply. Exactly how to split up your paycheck so you're not broke by next week. This is Gen Z finance. Let's get into it. Here's what most people do when they get their first paycheck. They see the number, get excited, go spend it on stuff. Clothes, food, maybe some games. And then 2 weeks later, completely broke, just waiting for the next one. And that cycle just keeps repeating. Paycheck comes in, paycheck goes out, nothing left. Sound familiar? That used to be me too, until I learned one simple framework that completely changed how I handle money. It's called the 50-30-20 rule, and in the next few minutes I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. Okay, so the 50-30-20 rule basically says every time you get paid, you split your money into three buckets. 50% goes to needs, 30% goes to wants, and 20% goes to savings or investing. Let me make this real. Say your paycheck is $500. Here's how that breaks down. $250 goes to needs, stuff you actually have to pay. Phone bill, transport to work, food. $150 goes to wants, eating out, hanging with friends, subscriptions, whatever you enjoy. And $100 goes to savings. You do not touch this. This is your future self saying thank you. Now I know what you're thinking. $100 to savings doesn't feel like a lot. But here's the thing. If you do this every single paycheck, that's over $2,600 saved in a year without even thinking about it. That's a car fund. That's an emergency fund. That's investment starting to grow. That's your money actually working for you. Okay, so knowing the rule is one thing. Actually doing it is another. Here's exactly what I'd do if I were starting from scratch today. Step 1. Figure out your monthly take-home pay, not what your hourly rate is, the actual number that lands in your bank account after taxes. Step 2. Open any notes app and literally write out your three buckets. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. Do the math right now. Step 3, and this is the important one, automate your savings. The second your paycheck hits, set up an automatic transfer of that 20% to a separate savings account. If you never see it, you'll never spend it. I personally use a free app called YNAB, or even just a simple Google sheet. I'll link both in the description below. Real quick, 3 mistakes I see all the time that you want to avoid. Mistake 1, budgeting down to zero. Always leave a small buffer of like $20 to $30 in your account. Unexpected stuff always comes up. Mistake 2, forgetting irregular expenses. Things like haircuts, birthday gifts, annual subscriptions. These catch people off guard. Set aside a little each month for random stuff. Mistake 3, being too strict with yourself. If your budget feels like punishment, you'll quit within a week. Give yourself room to enjoy life. That's what the 30% wants bucket is for, and that's literally it. 50 for needs, 30 for wants, 20 for savings. Do this one thing consistently, and you will be miles ahead of most people your age. If this helped you, hit subscribe. I drop new videos every week on exactly this kind of stuff. Investing, credit cards, side hustles, all made simple for people our age. And drop a comment below telling me what your first paycheck was from. I would love to know. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.